Everybody, this is a Lamley outdoor unboxing. I'm out on the patio again, giving you a deal today. 2 for the price of 1, right? 2 boxes, one that came from Amazon. I'm really kind of curious to see. I've got this like 3-pack of 5-packs, if that makes any sense. I got it for that, the new Lamborghini 5-pack. Really excited to see that pack. We'll probably compare it to some of the previous Lamborghini castings. We've got car meat and Hot Wheels flames. We've seen those before, but we're going to focus on the Lamborghini pack. And I'm also curious about this kind of deal. Is this something we're going to be seeing from Hot Wheels via Amazon? These little, these 15-car boxes, right, with 3 5-packs in it. I'm just kind of curious from that perspective. And then I've got this thing, which is kind of cool. Hot Wheels Collectors E-Track and Car Keepers. This came actually from Mattel. I bought this myself. This came from Mattel. I was told that this E-Track is kind of cool for displaying. Obviously, it's got the Hot Wheels Collectors logo on it, meaning this is aimed at us. This isn't necessarily aimed at the track crowd, you know, the kid crowd. This is aimed at collectors. And then, of course, they put Car Keepers in there, which are definitely aimed at collectors. And you know, they're new as well. They've improved those a little bit. I don't know if I've ever talked about them. So we're going to open up both. We'll start with this 3-pack, 5-pack, whatever that means. How are you going to say it, right? A 3-pack of 5-packs. Nonetheless, I'll put this back here and let's go ahead and open it up. Hot Wheels has been flirting with this direct-to-consumer stuff, especially with Amazon. I'm going to cut this open. And, you know, this is unique packaging to be sure. And, you know, we'll see, just ripped it open. There we go. We'll see kind of how this goes. Okay, you know, when you're opening boxes, we're going to rip them open anyway, right? This is just recycling. So, okay, so you can, just so you can kind of see what's going on here. There are 3 5-packs in here. This looks very similar, obviously, to the cases that have, what is it, 12 packs in it? I think so. Anyway, let's open it up. First one is the car meat pack. You've seen this one before. Highlights to me are these bottom 2, the BMW 2002, and then of course the Datsun 510 in that kind of map topography look, you know, that matches the 510 wagon from previous, so what was it, Speed Blur 5-pack, right? Next one doesn't have the names of the cars, but this is the Pass and Gasser, I believe. We've got the El Camino looking good. We're starting to see these large lace wheels return, which is cool. I think that's the Superbird as opposed to the Dodge Daytona. Maverick in flames, right? I think that's the old Maverick, not the custom Maverick. And then the Roadrunner. Here's why I bought the pack. There goes the box. And here's why I bought the pack. The new Lamborghini 5-pack. And we'll open this one up too. You've got, this is the, what, Aventador, not the, it's a, I think, is that the, or is that the Veneno? I can't remember my Lamborghinis. I probably should, considering this is a Lamborghini 5-pack. This is the Huracan, right? And then this is the one that I'm most eager to see. Sorry for this glare. And then the Lamborghini Aventador J. And this is the Superleggera, right? But it's this one, the Murcielago, that I am most excited because it makes its triumphant return. This is only the 3rd version. I will show you the first 2 as later on in this video, but I'm very excited to open this one up. Since we're doing the unboxing portion, I'm going to put this off to the side and let's open this up, and then we'll get back to that Lamborghini 5-pack. Maybe we'll even use whatever is in here to display them. this part, maybe not this part. It's going to be hard to do with a 5-pack. But like I said, I was told by the Mattel group, my friends over at Mattel, that this is worth looking at, so I'm going to do it. And it's available, I think, over on the Hot Wheels website, and there's a link down below to this, so you can buy it if you're interested in getting, obviously, the car keepers, those that collect cars in the card. So I see. So what you're mainly buying is this. And then we're going to take a look at this here in just a little bit. But you're mainly buying the new car keepers. Now, we've seen these, if you remember the RLC, when they ship your car, they're coming in these new car keepers. And I think it's worth pointing out that these are very nice as well, now that Hot Wheels has improved them. And the main reason is if you look in the corner, this little kind of, on the corner here, you'll see there's a little bit of a space. I don't know, like the corner isn't just a straight corner. It actually kind of veers out, kind of bubbles out a little bit. That is the main improvement on these cases. In fact, let me go get a Super Treasure Hunt. And let me show you, because you get this. Now, the future of this specific one is, from a card perspective, isn't great. This thing's going to get opened very soon. This new 65 Ford Galaxy Super Treasure Hunt from the M case. But let's just say I found this, I want to keep it carded, and I do with the Super Treasure Hunts I find, and I want to keep it protected. In the past, if I put one of these in a Hot Wheels protector, I basically nestled it in and then closed it, there was a very good chance that this corner and this corner were going to get absolutely positively smashed by the protector. It was going to get stuffed in this corner right here, and it was going to bend, and it was going to get crushed, it was also going to bend. And what's the point in protecting a card if the protector itself damages the card? Well, that is no longer the case because of these little notches here. It gives enough space in the corner for the card to be protected. Now, I think that's great. Probably a long time in the making, but Hot Wheels has improved it, and now the protector, so if you've got things in older protectors that you want in better shape, you're now going to have the official Hot Wheels protector that you can use. So that's kind of cool, right? So that's maybe the main reason to buy it, but what I've been told is this is kind of cool as well. Let's put our Super Treasure Hunt off to the side. This is a special, just made for this pack, a special Hot Wheels collector's piece of track. Mainly, it works. You can put it in with any Hot Wheels track. But it also, the intention here is to use it as a display. Obviously, most track comes in the orange color, but not this one. So you can actually place this. I know that is really kind of cool. So obviously, and it's got a special attachment with the Hot Wheels logo on it, so you can push that in and attach it to other track. But with the thinking being, use this as a display, we might as well go ahead and do it. So what better way to utilize this Lamborghini 5-pack than to display the cars? And why don't we do that using this on the turntable with the piece of track? So we start, and the wind is picking up, so let's see if this even happens. So we start with this one. I can't remember, the Lamborghini Veneno. I was right. In gold, headlights, and some front stripes. So this is available exclusively on HotWheelsCollectors.com. It's $15, $14.99 technically, plus shipping. And you don't have to be an RLC member. You just have to go to the link below. I've got it in the video description. You can get this set with the 10 protectors, the brand new protectors, plus this cool piece of track. The piece of track is the exclusive thing here, and it is very cool for displaying, as I'm figuring out right now. It looks really cool, and it's obviously a very unique piece of track considering almost everything else is orange. So that's where you can get it exclusively at HotWheelsCollectors.com. So this is the Lamborghini Veneno. I like it with the gold color and a little bit of the cool trim. Next one. This wind picks up. Lamborghini Huracan LP 620-2 Super Trofeo in blue. The original version of this casting I was so fond of in gunmetal gray. and now we have it in blue. It's kind of cool what they've done. I think the stripes in the front next to those intakes are actually close to how this car looks. The number 63. You've got the Italian stripes there on the side and that little yellow trim on the top. This is actually a nice version of this. It's pretty clean. It's pretty plain on the back, but I like the color. I like the yellow rims. It's all about side profile with 5-packs. They're always going to be a little bit more aimed from that perspective than on anything else, but I do like this one, and I like the fact that the headlights are on it. Let's see if the headlights show up on all of them, because a Lamborghini casting without headlights, it ain't a good thing. Let's skip this guy, and let's get to the Lamborghini Aventador J. This was a super treasure hunt. Was it last year? Year before? I think it was last year. So this one is nice in white. It's got the trapezoid style wheels on it, kind of a bluish headlight, and then it has the front stripes just like the Veneno does. Let's get this one on the turntable as well with the track. Yeah, that looks really good. Again, crazy looking Lamborghini like the Veneno, not totally my style. I've always said I like the cleaner looking, the smaller looking Lamborghinis, but that one's nice. I like that it's very clean in kind of that matte white. Matches the Aventador in matte white that they did several years ago. And then lastly, okay, this is great. This one will definitely go into the collection because it's stock. Lamborghini Gallardo LP 570-4 Superleggera in orange. Have we seen this one before? I'll have to pull out my Lamborghini collection and see. It seems like we've seen an orange version of this casting before, but this one's going to be a little bit different. Once we're done here, maybe I'll put them together. We'll put it here on the display. Looks good in orange with that Lamborghini Superleggera striping on the side. Headlights, of course. So all of them got the headlights. But those four are all, they're all nice, but it's all about that middle one. Nice to see it back. This is the Lamborghini Murcielago. I hope I'm saying it. LP 670-4 SV. So this casting debuted in Speed Machines, not just in the middle of Speed Machines, but the end of Speed Machines. And the reason that that is significant is because Speed Machines had basically run its course at that point. It did not do well in stores. Walmart was kind of about it and was throwing most of the Speed Machines up on clearance. And so by the time the Lamborghini was done and it debuted, there wasn't a ton made. I think Hot Wheels, I don't know behind the scenes what happens, but basically we didn't see this model released in too many places. For example, you had that Zamac Ferrari 599XX that was rare. I think this one didn't even get mixed in with that one. That one made some European markets, and I think Australia and some Asian markets. I don't know if even the Lamborghini Murcielago even made it to those markets. So it was done in very low numbers. I think I had to go to eBay to get mine, and then it just vanished. Then it showed up again maybe a year or two later. People were wondering where it was going to be because we were seeing Lamborghini castings in the decades. I think it was a Walmart exclusive. All of a sudden it shows up in this white version, which was very cool looking as well. So you had the yellow version from Speed Machines, and now you had this white version, which was pretty rad. And of course, it got gobbled up real quickly. And I don't even think that one was particularly easy to find as well. Some of the Decades models were difficult to get, and that one was on there too. So 2 for 2 in being difficult to find, and also 2 for 2 in really cool versions. So that model kind of took on a life of itself. I think both of them go for near or over $100 carded. But if you've missed out on it and you don't want those expensive ones, now you've got this one. And it is cool and clean. In gray, the SV logo on the side, which is really a nice thing to see. It doesn't have any detail in the back. That's okay because you've got that nice brake. And then you've got the Lamborghini coloring there on the front in orange and black with that center stripe. PR5 wheels with the orange trim. I'm all in on this one. Happy to see it back. I don't know if there's been any modifications to this casting to make it more basic oriented. I don't think so, because I think it always had the plastic spoiler. But headlights are done. It looks really, really good. Like I said, a very welcome addition to this family. Folks, this video has been long enough. You know where to go. HotWheelsCollectors.com to get the special track and car protectors, which are new and improved. So buy them, switch some of your cars into those protectors. You can buy the Hot Wheels Flames and Car Meet packs in store. The Lamborghini's just hitting, or just go to Amazon. Follow the link down below and get yourself that 3-pack of 5 packs. I'm going to mess that up so many times. 3 packs of 5 packs. Fair enough? Thanks, everybody. I'm going to head on out because I'm feeling the rain, even with the sun. Bye.